Bakit ka ba nagkaka-injuries? Because you play so many games, you play intense, you practice hard, and then umaabot ka sa playoffs or finals eh.
And once they did, you thought they would take over, but then credit to Terra Firma, no?
Alam
For
mo,
keeping its,
si
cool.
Patrick Ahanisi made so many big plays in the end game.
I always say when you're down big, it takes so much effort to climb back. Kaya baka mabitin ka sa dulo. Ang ganda naman ng pasa! Dequan Jones, the bounce pass to the streaking LJ Gonzalez. Maiiwan talaga yung TNT. LJ, but that's a three to get the three right back. Last shot time for NLEX. Can they bring it up? Bago matapos, Gonzalez will put it up. That's good! That's a three from LJ.
Gives him a high five after taking the shot. Gonzalez, we're gonna see if this is a 4-point. Looks like nakatapak siya dun sa linya. So it's gonna be a 3 at least. NLEX Road Warriors knocking down that shot. Oh, ang report ni Bellin to see complete fracture on the leg. Right? Yun yung initial findings without any x-rays or MRIs. Yeah. So we're
Another big game scoring-wise from him as LJ will attack the import and overshoot. Gets it right back. Alas looks away. Balik kay Gonzalez, crossing over. Layup is good! He's done that in the past. Remember, even a finals game, he walked into a three-pointer to force overtime, if I'm mistaken. LJ puts it up. There's that drive you were looking for.
yeah. You see how much more effective it is when he uses his quickness. He doesn't have to shoot a step back. They're gonna go for
Tatakbo ka sa
4.
four.
Yeah.
Oh, pupunta ka sa 4, tapos yung titira mo. They don't want Bolick to get it, but he does. He'll take the jumper. And put it in! Now with LJ, 3-point lead for the Road Warriors. Jumper from 18. That's good again. They took advantage of it. The player of the game brought to us by Sports Plus is the Rook, LJ Gonzalez. Could have been Bolick, but we're giving it to LJ simply because of his impact.
Pwede nila paghatian
Yeah,
yung best player of this ball game. LJ Gonzalez, 26 points, career high for him, 6 rebounds, 9 of 19 from the field. You know, we said Bolick led this into overtime, but LJ Gonzalez pretty much all game long.
I'm here with our best player of the game, LJ Gonzalez, with a career high 26 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 out of 19 field goals. LJ, after what happened to Dequan, nagkaroon kayo ng moment together as a team. Ano yung sinabi nyo sa isa't isa during that time, and ano yung pinanghawakan nyo?
Una-una, nagpapasalamat kami kay God dahil binigay yung panalo sa amin. And yun nga,
Bata namin niya.
nagtiwala lang sa amin si Coach Jimmy. Talagang trinabaho namin to. And yun nga, yung game na to para kay DJ, hopefully sana makabalik siya and makarecover siya. And yun nga, binigay namin 100% kasi alam naman namin na talk and text yung kalaban. So, we do our best and stay ready lang lagi.
LJ, napag-usapan nyo ba ni Berto yung 4-pointer niya to force overtime?
Yun nga yung ano namin yung play namin kasi lamang sila ng 4. So, yun yung distraction ay diniscuss ni Coach Jimmy sa amin. So, siguro talagang binigay sa amin yung panalong to kasi trinabaho namin hanggang matapos yung game.
Lastly, LJ, any messages para sa fans, team, or family?
Binabati ko nga pala yung family ko sa Isabela, mama ko, kapatid ko, papa ko, and yung girlfriend ko, nandyan si Kaisong Kuya, yung family niya, yung kuya niya na nasa abroad, and yung buong NLEX na sumusuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and yung mga fans sa PBA, maraming salamat, and yung mga teammates ko, and yung mga coaches ko na walang sawang mag-guide, magturo sa amin. Binabati ko yung lahat.
Thank you so much, LJ. Let's now turn it over to the press room.